You're watching How Leap. Let's look at the amazing new features WhatsApp just got. First, Chat Lock lets you hide specific chats behind a password or biometric lock. Open a chat, tap the contact name, and select Chat Lock. Second, screen sharing during video calls is now available. Start a video call, tap the screen share icon, and share your phone screen. Third, Edit Sent Messages lets you correct a mistake within 15 minutes. Tap and hold a message. Select Edit, make your change, and resend. Fourth, Silence Unknown Callers automatically blocks calls from numbers not in your contacts. Enable it in Settings, Privacy. Fifth, Voice Status lets you post a 30-second voice note to your status. Tap the microphone icon in the status update screen. Sixth, HD photo and video sharing ensures you can send media in higher quality. Tap the HD icon before sending. Seventh, multiple accounts on one device lets you switch between two WhatsApp accounts without logging out. Go to Settings, tap the arrow next to your name and add account. These updates make WhatsApp more secure and versatile. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.